I look like trash.
Really?
Yeet.
What a loser. Hey guys, so we are doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge, whatever. I have the handcuffs on, and it was recommended to us by people on Her Musically. So we're gonna see what happens, and we're currently just sitting in bed, and I don't think we're gonna be doing anything else.
Yep, pretty much.
Just sitting here,
chilling.
Unless I have to go poop, then that's another story.
That's a whole different story.
Yeah, let's see how this goes. Hey, so as you can see, we're still handcuffed together. We've just been sitting here doing shit. So I'm musically. So we don't know what else to do. We were just thinking though, what if one of us has to use the bathroom? That'd be. I mean, I think we're close enough friends to not care, but
yeah,
still
I've
be
already seen you in your underwear, so
be really weird. So, but I think just by this, just already, if you enjoy this, give us a like and remember to subscribe and hit that little bell.
And
So
give us ideas on like what to do, like
just,
while we do this. Because we're like.
Just tell us what you wanted to do us to do, because we'll most likely we'll do it anyway.
We'll limit it at this point. So.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
That's what if.
We'll keep you updated if anything happens. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So we ran into a dilemma.
I gotta pee.
She has to pee, so let's see how this goes. I drink more water. Oh wait, now I have to pee. Let's see, how's this going?
Okay. There you go.
So.
How do I get my pants off? How did I get my
Here's my hand, just help yourself.
Don't hurt yourselves.
No promises.
Right.
Okay.
Look at her.
Don't look at me!
So she doesn't have toilet paper now, and I'm just hanging outside the door. With Bastion with me. Saucy, why don't you have toilet paper? She's gonna enter. Oh my god. My eye itches. Wait.
Your good eyesight's on.
This bitch. Now I have to go pee. At least mine's fucking quick.
True. Wait, I need my charger.
So now we're gonna go make spicy ramen. I don't know what this bitch is doing.
I need to grab my charger because my phone's at 29%. Okay, let's go.
So we're gonna go make spicy ramen now. Because we're hungry.
That's one.
You guys are still hooked up.
Yeah.
We're gonna make spicy ramen.
Don't set fire to yourselves.
No promises.
Now we gotta wash a pot for the ramen. So this is the next task to do. Which pot?
This one.
Why is it just let me clean here? Good luck with that.
Ew.
What was in there?
Macaroni.
Ew. It smells.
Yeah, I know.
Okay guys, we'll be back. Oh, so now she's fucking sitting on the floor.
My feet hurt.
And so, yeah, and we're waiting for the ramen. Sebastian's over there.
Do it.
What she say? I'm kind of what is it called?
This is from the Asiana market here in Arizona. And they have bomb ass shit there. It's like an Asian Costco, basically.
Asian Costco.
I don't know. I feel like I shouldn't have said that, but
Most of the time, you like can't even like understand it.
yeah. But this is good. The hot chicken flavor. Hey, Bastion, you're on TV. Okay, bye. So we just woke up from a nap. We still have the handcuffs on, and I can't believe we slept with them on.
It hurts.
But she like kept pulling it away from me, so my hand was coming with her. How do you feel about this challenge so far?
It hurts. My wrist hurts really bad.
Sorry, that's my phone. I'm trying to like it's 7:02. Let's see, how long have we had this on? 3 hours.
Jesus Christ. My life.
So we've been asleep for like an hour. Well, I've at least been asleep for like an hour.
You woke me up because you were snoring. Like at one point, I was like, "What the fuck is that noise?"
You kept waking me up because you kept pulling your hand away from me.
I'm sorry.
See, she's doing that. She like kept pulling it. So at one point, my hand was actually like in an awkward position over your head. Oh, and your Cheetos were on the
okay.
the counter. Yeah, your dad got here like 10 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Also, I wore a
This
shirt.
bitch finally came to
Right there.
visit,
Yes, it's a pink sweatshirt.
but she only came for her damn clothes.
Freaking black ass. I'm sorry.
We're still handcuffed together.
Look at it. Oh yeah. My wrist hurts. Really
We fell
bad.
asleep like this, and she fucking was like tugging the damn handcuffs.
Oh my god. Because I kept like putting my hand or like my arm underneath my head. Why don't you just go get a freaking bag?
Because I need to look for my other shirt.
You whack ass.
Take that
We
shirt too,
need
the
a
plaid
wig.
one.
You gotta tell your dad to get a wig.
Oh my god.
From Claire.
You're licking Cameron's phone. That's disgusting. Stop it. He was so fluffy. I missed it. Ooh, this is a nice phone. Yum.
But he's mine and Saucy's now.
Has a button in the back.
What?
Buttons in the back.
What? I'm going to freaking do a thing here.
Are you gonna take a selfie?
No. Maybe.
But see, Bastion is mine and Saucy's now.
Whoa, this camera's weird.
What?
It's like really grainy.
You're grainy.
You're both grainy, so shut the fuck up.
That's weird.
I think Saucy fell asleep. But still handcuffed. But I kind of want to end it. Saucy, do you want to stop the challenge?
Yes.
I know we're both dying with it. Alright, well, we lasted what, 4 hours? Like 4 or 5 hours. So at least we made it like,
This many hours.
yeah, 5 hours.
Tolerating each other.
Especially going to the bathroom.
We're doing some my kids. Every time they fight.
Well, so we'll end the video here because this was a pretty interesting one. And we will see you guys next time. Do you have anything to say? Do you have anything to say?
Get me out of these handcuffs.
Well, I guess there you have it. Get me out of these handcuffs. If you made it this far, put hashtag get me out of these handcuffs in the comments so we know you made it all the way. So yeah, we'll see you guys next time, and remember to like this video and share it with all of your friends if you thought it was pretty funny, because I thought it was kind of funny at some parts. But most importantly, remember to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notifications every time we upload a video.